Alright guys, it is currently 10 to 6 in the morning. We're headed to the gym. I've got two big announcements that I want to tell you guys. First one, I'll show you guys today. The second one's going to be later on this month. But of course, first, we're going to hit legs, and then we're going to get some breakfast. And then of course, today is Nike sneakers day. Anybody who's interested, there's a couple people who kind of just wanted to know what I'm eating at the moment. Breakfast, got 4 pieces of bacon, 4 eggs, and recently I've been doing whole eggs because I'm upping my calories a little bit. Or like when I was in extreme cut mode, I would just do egg whites and like 1 full egg. And then to top it all off, crumpets, because UK. And a cup of joe with 100 milliliters of skimmed milk. Guys, it has been a long week. I mean, I've kept up with content and obviously have been working in the background, but man, it has been hectic. And today I wanted to talk to you guys and tell you about what's been going on behind the scenes and kind of announce everything as well. It all started on sneakers day, actually. That morning, obviously, I went to the gym. After that, we went to pick up the keys to my new house. And that's kind of the biggest announcement as of this week. It's funny because I actually tried to vlog the whole thing and it actually went well for the first day, and then after that it just got way too out of hand. As you know, when it comes to moving homes, moving to a completely new location, nothing goes smoothly, and we ran into our first problem literally on the first day. After we picked up the keys, we drove to the new house. We needed to make sure that everything was in the right condition, check all of the walls, make sure nothing's scuffed up or marked. We had to check the meters, etc. As you can see, this house is completely empty. Like, we have a huge job ahead of us by just literally buying and ordering and moving everything into this house. That's why if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me taking so many trips to IKEA. It is just endless shopping for house stuff. Now, the first problem on day one is pretty funny, actually. We got locked in the house. So, we are, we're locked in the house. We cannot figure out how to open the door. It's not a normal front door, like it doesn't have any handles. 20 minutes later, and we are still locked outside of the house. So we've called someone. What if I don't fit?
Do not break that windowsill.
Yeah, we couldn't get out. We ended up having to hop out the window and then call a locksmith in order to fix the locks on the door. And then the next part was really just moving stuff. Anything we could fit in my car, we just drove it over, including my sneaker collection. That's something I never really thought about. Like, as I'm buying all of these sneakers, I never really thought to myself, yeah, I'm gonna be moving and I have to move all of these boxes to the new place. Here I am driving along with literally shoe boxes packed out in the back, finally get him into the new house. I mean, I don't know how many I have. That's probably something we need to do in that upcoming sneakers collection video, which you guys have been asking me about. Promise I will get around to doing the sneaker collection video. I know a lot of you guys have asked me about it. I appreciate it, and I will get around to doing it. It has been non-stop moving all the way up until today. Like, I'm not even finished yet. I'm still moving in. Like, this studio is still not finished. Like, I think the background looks pretty sick. It's definitely coming together. Like, I'm even putting together a clothing room, which I think is where I'm gonna film all of my clothing style videos. I think that's gonna look pretty epic. As you can see, it definitely needs a little bit of work. It needs some extra pieces moving around. Like, we are far from done. But I'm super happy and I'm super excited about this place, man. I think I can get a lot more creative with the different video ideas that I can do. We can do more vlogs. We just got more space, more time, and there's just a lot more to come, guys. Now, there is another announcement which I do need to tell you guys, but I think we're gonna save that for next week. I'll kind of show show you as well. I'll make another video about it. I mean, that announcement has some really big implications for this channel, which again, I'm super excited about. If you haven't yet, definitely subscribe because there's a lot more to come. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it as well. But we'll put a pin in that and we'll save that for another day, another video. I mean, this all pretty much started on Sneakers Day and I haven't even had a chance to show you guys what I got from Sneakers Day. So you might as well unbox it because I am super excited to see, and there's no better chance than right now. I mean, I know you guys have seen the taxis. This is something that we already did a review on. So yeah, this was kind of like the biggest W, at least for me personally, on the day. Strangely enough, these things aren't reselling for anything crazy. Yeah, I mean, that took me by surprise for real. But some other stuff that we do need to unbox, which literally, guys, this has been sat here. I have not had a minute to check any of this out. So let's just do it. Actually, I think this is what I got the other day, which I wanted to check out. So we got a pair of ones. Let's pop the top. Okay, we got some interesting paper. This is the denim Jordan 1s. They went a bit crazy on these things, but yeah, I mean, they're all over denim, as you can see. You've got red laces. That's so random. Why is it red laces? Wow, this leather feels insane. Look at that. We've got this huge gold debray, which looks pretty flashy, pretty shiny. Not just Jordan 1s in today's video, I promise. This is a much bigger box, and I think this is actually the one from Nike Sneakers Day. Yes, sir, we got a pair of 4s. Let's pop these open. You guys know what this is. This is one that is actually upcoming, like the actual drop is upcoming, and then it's super delayed out in the US. But this is the Canyon Purple 4s. Wow, these are actually pretty nice. Look at that suede. It is nappy as hell. I've never seen extra laces attached like that, but hey, there you go. I'm so surprised this is not a Halloween release. Like, look, you even get some orange on the Jumpman. So you're aware, if you're a guy, you can definitely buy these because I think they go up to a size 14 or maybe even 15. The upcoming release date, I believe, is the 24th or the 25th here in the EU. And then you guys out in the US, I don't even know when you're gonna be getting these, but apparently it's like October or something like that, maybe November. We got a couple other pairs. I actually do not know what is in either of these. Just so you guys know, like, I haven't been unboxing sneakers for a while. This is ages ago. Yeah, this is, I don't even know what colorway that is, but yeah, take a look at these. I mean, it's not too bad. They look a little bit strange. I think I've got another pair of these. Let me just quickly check. But yeah, here is the Union Cortez. What do you guys think? One more package to unbox. Another pair of Union Cortezes. Yeah, that's a much nicer colorway. Or I don't know, it's still pretty loud. Like, damn, that pink and yellow. I mean, look how wide they are though. That is so wide. Like, they just look fat or like chubby for some reason. Definitely looking forward to the Sacai version of these a lot more. Like, I mean, these are not bad, but they are definitely not my favorite. But yeah, guys, listen, we're gonna wrap it up there. That's all the sneakers I had to unbox. There you have it, a little bit of a mixed batch of a video, but listen, there's a lot more to come. Let me tell you guys that, and a lot more really exciting stuff to come. So definitely sub up to the channel if you wanna be a part of all of that. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then.